Today we talk about how can you change country on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on profile and security, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on country here, you just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. And here can you change your country here, or here can you search for any country you want on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for when you don't just click here on change country, then it's going to change with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.